So to join the AI trend, Blackview has announced a new 5G rugged phone called the BL7000. And according to the brand, this device is mainly focused on AI. The brand also stated that it would be integrated with multiple AI applications, including DeepSeek, ChatGPT from OpenAI, and of course Google's Gemini. Anyway, according to Blackview, the device would officially launch on the 14th of April. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top specs of the BL7000. So the BL7000 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 5G octa-core processor. It ships with the latest Android 15. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD plus 120Hz display. The device has a thickness of 14.5 millimeters and it weighs about 300 grams. The phone has 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage that is expandable up to 2TB using a micro SD card. The device features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, 20MP night vision, and an auxiliary camera. The front-facing camera of the device is 32MP. Now the rear camera is capable of recording up to 2K videos at 30fps. Additionally, the BL7000 packs a massive 7500 mAh battery and it supports 33 watts fast charging as well as 6 watts reverse wired charging. Additional features includes OTG, FM radio, it has a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, NFC, face unlock, navigation features like GPS and the others are all supported. So these are the top features of the Blackview BL7000. What do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.